Hello Year 3. As you can see, it's a really wet and thundery Saturday afternoon. So I decided with my children that we would sit down and do some craft together. So what we're going to do is use the different craft materials I found in our house and have a go at making lily pads, different ways of making lily pads, like the lily pads you saw in Monet's painting last week. So you can have a look at the kind of things we've got, think about the kind of things you've got in your house, and then see if you can be creative just as we're about to be. So I hope you enjoy our making. So I picked some green paper. Enya, my daughter, picked some green fabric and some threads. And Kian picked out some Play-Doh. And we got to work creating our lily pads. So as you can see, I'm cutting around the shape of my lily pad. But I've cut beyond my line so that I can then start to fold the edges in and give it some depth. Kian's trying to make a nice green colour by mixing together some blue and yellow. Trying to make it a little bit brighter by adding a bit more yellow there. I'm folding my lily pad now to give it some more shape, trying to get it to crease and fold in the way that they do in the picture. Kian's rolling out his lily pad into the shape and then cutting the opening of the lily pad there. So I'm starting to make a lotus flower to go on mine. And I did that by folding over some pink paper and marking out the petal shape. And I folded it first so that I didn't have to cut as many. I got 2 every time. You can see Kian's built up the edges of his, and is starting to sew a line around the edge of her shape. Kian decided to go for a frog rather than a flower on his. That's another idea. And that's our finished work. So we're showing you 3 very different types of work you can do. Let's see what you come up with.